As you can see, my car is idling almost 5,000 RPM. On this picture right here, you can see it fluctuates down to 5,000 RPM. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the engine. So this is your intake. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna start it cheap. So we're gonna spray the sensor, the mass airflow sensor. We're gonna spray it. So we're gonna take these two screws out, get him mounted there, and then I'm not gonna unplug it. I'm just gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna spray it. Okay, so the link is on the description down below where you can get the mass airflow sensor. So I'm gonna spray it directly. This is safe for wiring, plastic, and everything. Shake him well, and then spray him directly. So guys, this one can dry up to like 30 seconds. It dries pretty fast. Air dry, don't wipe it down. Air dry it. So let it dry, and then after it dries out, put it back in, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put those two screws back in there. Alright, this is the easy, first thing to check. So you can see it's sitting at about 6,000 RPM, pretty steady. It's not shaking up and down. It's not rough. Compare where it was before, it keeps going up and down.